Gavin Magnus is an American actor, singer and YouTuber. He was born on March 26, 2007 in the United States. His mother Teresa is frequently featured in his YouTube videos as well as Instagram posts. Magnus has two elder brothers, Justin and Jacob. He has also featured his grandmother on his channel. She appeared in a video titled "Grandma Reacts to My Funniest Text. Crush Says I Love You Baby." Magnus has a girlfriend named Pepper Rochelle who is also a YouTuber and Instagram personality. He and Coco Queen began dating in 2020. In February 2021, he revealed that they would broken up. In September of 2016, he met Little Kelly at Minecon. He has appeared on series on Nickelodeon and Cartoon Network. He toured with Voice of Summer 2018. He signed with Capitol Records and released his debut single Crushin' in 2019. He owns a self-titled channel where he shares plush and puppet videos, shares blogs, funny pranks and other entertaining content. He also serves as the host of DreamWorks TV, another YouTube channel that offers hilarious jokes, magic videos, life hacks, music and gaming content. He is also an amazing singer known for hit songs like Crushin' and Holla Back. Magnus loves to play the guitar and piano in his leisure time. As a YouTuber, Magnus started out in August 2016 with his debut video being SMG, Mario's Kindness Problem. He then went on to post other plush toy and puppet videos and also began sharing random vlogs featuring his mother. In early 2019, he began collaborating with his girlfriend Pepper Rochelle for creating challenges, tags, pranks and general couple blogs. He is commonly called, enjoys a huge fan base within South Korea and also internationally. He became an official member of the Rock Your Hair squad in March of 2018. He began singing at the age of 4. He is a big fan of the hip-hop genre. The star can easily perform backflips and triple flips on the trampoline. He began her YouTube career at a young age and has worked hard to establish herself as a successful social media personality. The multi-talented up-and-coming star is ready to make a huge impact on the entertainment industry and he is well on his way to doing just that.